Assalamualaikum guys, hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to discuss an important topic, which is Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated to honor and appreciate fathers and fathers figures for their contribution to their families and society. It's a day to recognize the hard work, sacrifices and love that fathers give to their children. The holiday was first celebrated in the United States in 1910 and has since been adopted by many countries around the world. Father's Day is usually celebrated on 3rd Sunday of June each year. In 2023, Father's Day is celebrated on 18th of June. In Islam, there is no specific day designed to celebrate Father's Day. However, Islam places great emphasis on the importance of family and the role of father in raising their children. Fathers considered as protector and maintainer of their families and responsible for providing for their children's physical, emotional and spiritual needs. Therefore, honoring and respecting fathers is an important part of Islamic teaching. Fathers can be a great role models, teaching their children important life lessons and values. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. Thank you for all that you do.
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो देखने से पहले आप GB True News HD चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली तमाम वीडियोज़ आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सकें।